PLC Network here at CES 2025. We're at the ATSC booth here with some exciting news coming from the world of OTA, over the air, which you might be mostly familiar with TV, which is pretty much free TV over the air as long as you have a dish or some bunny ears to get it in. And things are moving forward now with 3.0. You're able to do more than just watch TV. You can actually interact and play video games now.
Exactly.
So what are we looking at here? We have, right now we're watching TV, and we have the option to switch over to play Tetris or Pac-Man or something, and all it requires is just over-the-air TV connection and the internet.
Exactly. Now I should add that if you just want to watch TV, you don't need an internet. A lot of people have that question about NextGen TV. Don't I need the internet in order to watch TV?
Yeah.
No, you don't need to. However, if you want to play games, the internet connection certainly helps. So the way this works is this television is connected to this little receiver right here, ATSC receiver, which is available for purchase. And it is made by a company called Tolka, which we're very pleased to have here in the booth. But what you're watching is over-the-air television, which is on the air here in Las Vegas, available to anybody with an antenna in Las Vegas in the city. So what we'll do is we're watching TV here, and let's have a look at the program guide, what's available to watch. We've got NBC, we've got Fox, et cetera, et cetera. We're going to go to GameLoop and see what's going on. So let's see what game they're playing right now. I can't say that I'm very good. I used to play some Pac-Man, but I was never very good back in the day. So they're playing Tetris, so. But actually, the other thing we can say is that there's many, many games available. And you can choose from which game you want to play, but for now, let's just pick the one they've got up here. So we're going to go play now. And we'll wait for a second for it to load up, and then we'll be playing Tetris.
So you're receiving the image data via OTA.
That's right.
And then the interactive data you're using to be able to interact and play the game is going through the internet.
Exactly right. You got it.
And you need the box, but that's the only thing really that you need to be able to achieve this. There's no subscriptions or anything.
No subscriptions. That's exactly right. The box, and you do need your antenna.
Yeah. That empowers the whole idea of the OTA world, because it's all about...
There we go.
So how's things like latency in terms of like you pressing something on the controller and something happening on the screen?
It happens so fast that I can't really keep up very well because I'm not very good at it.
That's a good thing.
I don't know how you're supposed to rotate. How do you rotate? Ah, that's how you rotate. Yeah, you can tell.
I remember the days of Tetris.
Give it a try?
Oh, I will definitely give it a try.
So you push the middle OK button to rotate, and you push the arrows in order to...
Perfect.
There you go.
It's been a long time. All right, so the latency is pretty good. I noticed a little bit, but it's not bad. And that's to be expected when you got two different technology, OTA and internet going at the same time. I literally haven't done this since I was a kid, it feels like.
Oh, see, level up. Look at you go.
This is a lot of fun. So you have multiple, like how many games are there available for this?
Well, let's see. I'm looking at another TV, but let's see. I'm looking at Crosby Road, Pixel Dash, Pac-Man, which I was just playing a minute ago, Dino Eggs. And so if you decide you want to stop playing, you can push the back button.
Oh, I'm addicted now. So OTA taken to the next level, which is always great because OTA has always represented that community that wants to try to, given this requires the internet, so calling it cutting the cable or cutting the cord isn't always the best description in this scenario, since you still need the internet, but it still helps you achieve that one next step of not having to subscribe to TV with Cox or anybody else. All you need is internet, and you still have that world of OTA there that's not only still there, but now offers something new, which also provides us with an example that it's not going anywhere.
Exactly right. You got it.
That's exciting. So what does a box like this cost?
$89.
$89 for the box. So $89, that invests you in, you're done. No other subscriptions or anything like that. And this acts as the TV box as well?
That's right.
Okay, so you have your digital tuner and video game solution. Yeah, you have internet, I'm guessing, so you got HDMI coming out. You have, it looks like coaxial coming out here.
Yep, that's the antenna.
Oh, that's the antenna. Oh, well, yeah,
and
of course.
And it's Wi-Fi.
And it's Wi-Fi, so that's, okay. I was wondering, I'm like, where's the Ethernet? So this is very interesting, and I'm sure there's going to be new versions of it, like different options, as it progresses forward with new models and whatnot.
So you can see these over here. We've got a dongle, IoT, mobile phones, tablet. So here's the tablet. It's a wide variety, and we also have a number of other manufacturers who are building boxes, and we have 6 television sets who all have it built in, integrated into the TV. So
now you have a chance to jump into GameLoop thanks to NextGen TV. And all the greatest technologies that are, just really here to show us where we're headed in technology here at CES, that both new and old. Not that OTA is old, because it's never really gone anywhere, and it's there. It's always getting better and higher resolutions, and a lot of people forget that OTA is there, and this is a nice reminder. So if you want to learn more about this, where would our viewers go?
Well, I would start with watchnextgentv.com. WatchNextGenTV.com will tell you, hey, is this in my city? And you can check that right away. It is available to about 76% of American households. So the answer is probably. And the other thing you can find on NextGen TV is you can find these great devices, which devices are available, which television sets are available. So I would definitely encourage people to go to WatchNextGenTV.com to learn as much as you need, and then run on down to your favorite retailer or favorite online retailer and get the product that's going to work for you.
Perfect. Well, there you have it. So go check them out and research this to see if this is a good fit for you. And this is exciting. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
We can't wait to actually get some time and game time in at home. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.